Starting around 02 August 2023, Velo generally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.28%. In truly most recent 60 minutes, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, Velo sort of has an extremely all-out market cap of $18,455,933, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,988,000 in a for the most part huge manner. This makes Velo essentially positioning at 595 in the digital currency market in a very enormous manner. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Velo explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Velo a fundamentally wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023? Amazingly, will Velo cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled high, which for the most part is genuinely critical? These basically are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in a significant manner. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost generally is supposed to for the most part cross a truly normal value level of $0.003, the normal especially least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to generally be $0.003, which basically is genuinely critical. Besides, Velo can fundamentally arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.003. Velo value figure August 2023. The normal cost of Velo could explicitly go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Velo could sort of exchange around a truly most extreme worth of $0.003, with the really least expected cost of $0.002, which basically shows that besides Velo can truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $0.003. Velo value estimate August 2023. The exceptionally normal cost of Velo could explicitly go to $0.003 toward August 2023 amazingly's end. Velo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo basically is gauged to especially be at around a truly least worth of $0.003, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Velo value worth can generally arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.003, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in an essentially large way. Velo value gauge October 2023. The really normal cost of Velo could fundamentally go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, showing how this in a real sense makes Velo in every practical sense positioning at 595 in the cryptographic money market, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo could be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $0.003, with the by and large least expected cost of $0.003, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Velo could truly stretch around $0.003, or so they explicitly thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 truly is $0.003, with a typical cost of $0.003, showing how starting around 02 August 2023 Velo explicitly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.28% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Velo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Velo could in a real sense stretch around $0.003, so Velo value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Velo could sort of stretch around $0.003, or so they thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 truly is $0.003, with an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.003. Velo sort of past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been generally diminished by 0.29% in its kind of current worth, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming that we in every practical sense look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Velo certainly is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, exhibiting that Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost for the most part is supposed to cross a buy and large normal value level of $0.003. The normal extremely least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo basically is down to nearly 4.46% in the very most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for sort of past not very many days. The coin could really have areas of strength for genuinely in any case. We don't in a real sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in sort of transient in an all things considered huge way. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo certainly diminished by 60.999%, wiping out an incredible kind of normal amount of $0.004 from its sort of current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a very decent explicitly purchase and open door for genuinely fast venture, showing how Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Velo cost essentially is supposed to explicitly cross a truly normal value level of $0.003, the normal truly least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to especially be $0.003 in a very significant manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 12.28%, and the cost truly coursed from a genuinely least most certainly normal cost of $0.003 to in every practical sense, greatest truly normal cost of $0.003 in the all things considered recent days kind of additional appearance. How might Velo cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed in every way that really matters, high in an unpretentious way? In by and large most recent 4 months Velo especially has shown a developing pattern, further appearance how Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost basically is supposed to in every practical sense cross a kind of normal value level of $0.003, the normal in every way that really matters. Least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to in every way that really matters be $0.003, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. In this way, we truly imagine that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period in an unpretentious manner. As per the most recent information gathered,